Well, here is the quick covers. Came in the box, rockers and cab corners. As you can see, black, and came with a set of instructions. Looks like some double-sided tape, maybe some rivets, and we also ordered the rust inhibitor. So we'll take those out of the box, we'll paint them up, and before we paint these to match, as you can see, they got quite a shine to them. I'm going to scuff them up with a Scotch-Brite pad. I've already scuffed these up, give the paint something to adhere to. So I'll scuff this one up and the other cab corner and be ready to spray some paint. Okay, here we are. They are painted. The white pearl actually turned out really good. And so here is the truck. 2013 F150 four-door long bed. Here is the typical rust in the cab corner. And this one, the rocker, is not too bad on this side, but the other side is a lot worse. So let's go take a look at it. So on this side, there's the cab corner. And as you can see, the rust is a lot worse on this side. So first thing we're going to do is put it up on the lift and take off the running boards, and we'll cut out the rusty metal. Okay, now the running boards are off. You can see a lot better. I guess there was some rust there that we didn't see with the running boards in the way, but we're going to take care of that with the quick covers. And obviously the truck is up on a lift. It doesn't look like you'd have to do this on a lift. The truck's high enough, you got access to it, but a lift sure makes it a lot nicer. All right, so now the truck's up on the lift, the run boards are off. Instructions say to pop off the rubber seal at the bottom of the door as well as the kick plate. So nice thing to have this nice little handy tool to pop off the little plastic clips. So you stick it underneath of it and just pry it up and it pops right out. Pull it straight up, it should just pop straight up. This whole thing should come off. Well, might not need to come all the way off, but this rubber trim is got to come off right here. There we go, just like that. Peel that rubber seal back up. There we go, that's far enough. Yep. Now the bottom one.
Yeah, it looks like all you have to do is get this up. You can wrap just this.
Yeah, pull that up so you can get out of the way. That's good. Perfect. And now this bottom one, just put this little tab right where the clips are. There you go. Perfect. Just pop it out. There you go. I'll try to get the plastic clip out. So you've got all the rubber off. So now we've marked out with our marker the bad spots that we're going to cut out. And then there's another one down here we're going to cut out. And that's all we're going to end up having to cut out on this side. We might cut another hole over here so we can get the rust inhibitor up as much as we can. And then also spray on the inside. There's cut out holes on the inside where you can access and spray in. So here we go. Okay, so we've got the first cut out, and as you can see, quite rusty on the inside. And here is one of Ford's better ideas. This tube runs off of the back window. It's a drain, and it ends up dumping water right in this area of the cab corner all the way down the rocker. And I think that's one of the reasons why they rust so badly right in through here. So, but we're going to take care of that with the quick covers. Okay, and so now we're getting ready to apply the corrosion inhibiting compound, the 1025 wet black penetrating cavity wax. I'm going to spray inside the cavities now. These little rubber clip holes for the rubber seal make it nice and easy to get access. Just spray this in there. Okay, so now that all the rusty metal has been removed out, it says apply grease to the cab corner, so we're applying grease to the cab corner with a brush. This is obviously to help prevent it rusting any further. And obviously be careful, don't get up too high, because that's where the double back tape is going to go. We got the alcohol pads, and we're going to wipe off where this is double back tape's going to go. So we got nice clean surface for this double back tape to adhere to. And that's why we use the alcohol pad. Okay, now we're ready to install the first cab corner. We've got the double back tape still on. We're going to pull that off after we get it in place. But to put it on, grab this little tab right here, pull it back, and slide it up from the bottom. And it slides right into place very nicely. Now we're going to get a pair of vice grips and clamp on the bottom. Now that the rocker is on, we can put the rubber back in. And it just clips over and holds it in place. And then the all right, so we're back up on the lift. We're drilling 3/16" holes, and then we're installing these rivets to secure the lower edge. Little lightweight aluminum rivets seem to be doing the trick well. Okay, all right, so it is installed all the way down. Okay, all done. About 4 hours worth of work. Not too bad. Actually turned out quite nice. No more ugly rust. We even had time to paint the black stripe and match. So looks very good. Yeah, we definitely recommend it. It beats the hell out of spending several $1,000s at a body shop to get the rockers replaced, only to have them rust out again.